This is an electric car jack and pump. So here I am turning on the pump, and I've got it on a bit of a time lapse so you can see it pumping up pretty fast. The pump works really well. It has a nice cable that goes directly in, no fuss, it's easy to use. When you're done, you can just turn it off, and you can look at it here. So it does have an analog dial. It's got 3 knobs, or it has 3 switches. One's for the jack, one's for the pump, and then you've got one for the light. And then you can determine the jack direction with that switch. You got a U and a D for up and down. And here's a look at the pressure gauge. So I'm going to go ahead and jack up my car. You will see here, and again, this is time lapse, so this is happening quite a bit faster than in real life. But honestly, I'm really impressed. It's kind of weird to see how small the thing is and how high up the jack actually goes. It's like magic. And here you can see my car tires completely off the ground, and here is the jack propping the whole thing up. Again, I'm really impressed with how cool this kind of is. For how small the jack is, it jacks it up all the way. And then when you're ready to have it go down, you just press the down direction on the switch, and then it will go down, and you are good to go. Here's the cord. It is a long cord, so wherever you plug it into your car, you should be able to get just about at any will with how long that cord is. And then you can put everything nice and tidy together. I have this in the back of our minivan, and it has a nice case to keep everything together. So here's the case that it comes in. It's nothing fancy or special, but it is nice that it comes in a case to keep things clean. It has this tool if you need to break glass or break a window or cut a seatbelt. You can use that tool for that. It also has this adapter in case your vehicle doesn't have a cigarette lighter adapter. You can plug this directly into the battery and use it that way. And it even comes with gloves, so you can keep your hands nice and clean. You can see on the bottom it is hard metal, and that's the jack, and I'm really happy with how well this works. I did receive this unit for free to do this review. I'm very impressed. I've jacked up many cars in my day. That sounds weird. Anyhow, this is way easier to elevate a car than using the jack that comes with most cars or vans or whatnot. This just makes life so much easier and faster, and it's nice that it is a 2-in-1, so it has a pump and it has a jack, has everything in a nice case. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I'd highly recommend it.